So hi guys, in this video I will tell you that how can you remove this extra gap. This is showing extra gap between image and header, and also in inside also showing like this is a gap showing image. This is showing gap and also showing here gap, and from here you have did 100%. You have did 100%. Then also this is showing gap. And so how can you remove this gap, and how can you make this image in full screen on hero section on home page? Okay, so I will tell you that how can you do this. So what to do, you have to do one thing. You have to click here on advanced. Okay, when you will click here, you have to do only one thing. You have to click here and as well as here. You will see that this issue has been fixed, and this is showing on hero section clearly. Okay, so guys, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys for giving me time for my video. Have a great day. Bye.